And we will continue with the chapter trip to Bhopal. So in this chapter, some children were going for a trip, right? Okay. So now they have reached for boating. So here you can see one table on which the ticket price for each boat is written. So first one is double decker boat. It costs rupees 30 for one person. Then paddle boat rupees 15. It time is also given here. One is 45 minutes, the second one is 30 minutes. Motor boat for one person, it will ticket price is rupees 25. Time is 20 minutes. The next one is boat with oars. It is 15 rupees and 45 minutes. This is how the ticket price and timing for each trip in each boat. Okay. So now students started discussing about this in which boat they have to go. So here you can see that children are going on talking something. Let us take the oar boat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. So one girl is talking like that. The other one is telling we are going on the double decker. It also has music. It costs a lot but we get more time. So some are bothered about the time, some are bothered about the cost. So Indra and Banu, two children, here Indra and Banu first went in the motorboat. So first they went in the motorboat and then took the oar boat. So how much did they pay for both the boat? This is a question. And how much time did they get for both rides? So these are the two questions. So you have to answer this. For this, what you have to do is we should know for motor boat and oar boat what is the cost for each person, right? So we'll go for that. So motor boat is here. It is so motor boat is here. It is rupees 25 for one person. Boat with oars is rupees 15 for one person. So how many children are going? Two children are going. So 25 plus 25. So that is two children in one motor boat. So it is 50. So next one is boat with oars. There also two children are going, right? So it is 15 plus 15. It is 30. So together how much did they cost? 30 plus 50, that is 80. Understood? So we'll see the answer here. So here you have the answer. So rupees 80, that is 15 plus 15 and 25 plus 20, 50 and 30. So the answer is 80. Okay. Now we have to check the time. So what is the time in the motorboat? Motorboat it is 20 minutes. We'll raise and we'll start from. Okay. Motorboat for it will take 20 minutes for one ride. So here it is 20 minutes. And boat with oars is 45 minutes. So 20 plus 45. So total time was 65 minutes. Okay. So they took 65 minutes for both the rides. So this is how you have to write the answer. Okay. Now comes the next question. One group of children went for double decker boat. They paid rupees 450 in a total. How many children went for double decker boat? That's the question. So one group of children only they have told. They didn't mention how many children. So we have to find how many children. So 450. In total they gave 450. So how many children? So you should know for double decker ride what is the cost. What is the cost? It is rupees 30 per child that you can see from the table. So how many 15s will make 450? 15. How many 30s will make 450? 15 times 30 will give you 450, right? That is 15 plus 15 plus 15. 30 times if you add, you will get 450. That is 450 is divided by 30. So what is the answer? The answer is 50. Therefore, the number of children going in the double decker boat is 50. Understood? Any way you can. Either you can check like this. 15 times what? 30 into what number will give you 450. Like that you can check. Or you can divide like this. 450 divided by 30. Both the answer is same. Okay. So now come the next question. That is, which boat makes two trips in 1 hour? In 1 hour, two trips. 1 hour means, it is 60 minutes, right? So 60 minutes, two trips. Which boat is it? You can see in this table. For one ride, paddle boat is taking 30 minutes. So 30 plus 30, 60. That is 30 for one trip. Next to 30 for the second trip. So which boat is giving two trips in 60 minutes? That is paddle boat. Okay. Now comes the next. Which boat takes less than half an hour for the trip? Less than half an hour, which is half an hour means 1 hour is 60 minutes. So half an hour is 30 minutes, right? So 30 minutes. So which boat is taking less than 30 minutes? You can see in this table. First one is 45. It is not less than 30. 30 is not less than 30. We want less than 30. You can see here 20 minutes. 20 is less than 30, right? Okay. So which boat is that? Motor boat. So motor boat takes less than 30 minutes or half an hour to complete a trip. Okay. Which boat gives the most time taking less money? Most time taking less money. So we will check less monies first. So here you can see 30, 25 is more. So 15 is here, 15 is here, 15 is here. Paddle boat and boat with oars. So less money we got. Now we have to check most time. So which is giving more time? So first one is 30 minutes, second one is 45 minutes. So which one is taking more time? Boat with oars. So boat with oars gives them the most time, taking the least money. Okay. Now Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? This is what the question. Javed went twice for boating. So 2 boat he went. Total he gave 40 rupees and he came after boating. After 50 minutes he came back. So which 2 boats did he take? So amount paid by Javed for 2 boats is 40. Total time spent is 50 minutes. So from the table, cost of paddle boat and motor boat, if you add, you will get 15 plus 25, it is 40. And also time taken by the 2 boats is 30 plus 20, 50 minutes. So it is 40 rupees and 50 minutes. That is what the question is, right? So which are the 2 boats? It is paddle boat and motor boat. Okay. So children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by, at what time they will reach? So they are starting from at 4 o'clock. They will not stop anywhere. They will be reaching back in 2 hours. That means plus 2. That is 4 plus 2. At what time they will come back? They will come back at 6 o'clock. Understood? So that's okay. That's all for today. Thank you.